Port protection, also known as number lock or SIM lock, is a security feature that Metro by T-Mobile uses to prevent unauthorized porting of your phone number. It's designed to protect you from SIM swapping scams and identity theft, which can occur when someone tries to transfer your number to a new SIM without your permission. SIM swapping occurs when someone transfers your number to a new SIM without permission. By default, port protection is active on all Metro accounts. This means that any attempt to port your number to a different carrier will be blocked unless properly verified. In 2024, enhanced verification processes were rolled out, including multi-factor authentication such as biometric verification, answering security questions, and sometimes submitting photo ID. To remove port protection, contact Metro support through the My Metro app, their website, or by calling *611 from your Metro phone. When contacting support, be prepared to provide account details, answer security questions, and possibly submit a photo ID for verification. Once approved, the change can take 24 to 48 hours to take effect. Metro may deny the request if they detect suspicious activity. Make sure your account is secured with a strong password to minimize porting risks before contacting support. Also note that as of September 2025, there is no self-service toggle in user accounts to manage this feature.